Hello everyone, today we will be looking at how to actually make a background transparent in an image while exporting it. So this is different from removing a background. In background removal, we actually remove the background using AI or whatever Canva offers. But in this case, say this is the image we have and we want to export it without background. So what do we do is, again we click on the share on the right top corner and then we click on download. Here always, if you have to have a background free image, it always has to be PNG. And then here is the option which is transparent background or transparent background. You click there, and this is a premium feature on Canva. As you can see, there is a crown on the right hand side which indicates it's a premium feature, and then you can download the image and let's see if it does. So I'm just saving the image and I'll open that image for you now. Let me go to downloads, and here is the image. As you can see, although I have a background color, but it has removed the background color and it has given me this image. The checkered pattern indicates that the image size is this much, but it also indicates that there is no background. So if you put this on any element, so let me show you that as well. So for example, we'll duplicate this, we'll change the color, we'll make it yellow, and we'll remove these three from here, and we will insert our image, the one which we have exported. And as you can see, it is transparent, and now you can play with it the way you want. So this is how background is removed while exporting an image, and background remover is something different. So I hope I have answered the question. Thank you for watching.